This secret ChatGPT prompt hack will give you 10 times better responses. And this is Linus. So let's go through this Twitter thread right now. So the first thing that you want to do is consider the context of your prompt. I think of this as like setting the stage. And so a common technique is to use "you're going to act as." So you're going to act as an interviewer. You're going to act as a mathematician. You're going to act as a travel guide. It's a language model and it needs to know what type of language it should be gathering from. Imagine you've been talking to ChatGPT in a long thread. If you kind of want to start over, you also want to say ignore all previous instructions before this one. That gives you a fresh start, and then you go into setting the stage. You're an exercise and health expert. You've helped people lose weight, get in shape, and improve their health for 20 years, from young adults to older people. Your task, and that brings you to the next one, is give your model a task to complete and be very explicit. Your task is now to give the best advice when it comes to improving someone's health. And the best type of prompts are generally setting up conversations, not a specific answer. You know, this isn't Google. You're not looking for different websites. You're not looking for a link. You're going to have a lot of questions, so you want to set the stage, and that initial prompt sets the stage for the next 10 questions if you ask them. And then when you're setting up your initial prompt, he also brings up to ask a question. So finish it by saying, "Is that understood?" so that it can respond to you and be like, "Yes, I understand," and it will likely restate that it understands that it is a health expert, etc., etc. So step 4 and 5 is all about look at the prompt. If you don't like it, number 5 is refine the prompt. So, you're constantly working with the prompt to get better responses. And then here we can see an example. I'm a 35-year-old male, and then he gives his weight. I feel weak in my back, core, and chest, but I need to work on my endurance. I want to be able to run a marathon and be strong in the gym. And since he had already used that previous prompt, it knows how to respond. It knows what tone. And now here it gives a great separated response. It talks about a caloric deficit. To improve your endurance, you want to incorporate running and other cardio exercises into your routine. To build strength, it's back, core, and chest, deadlifts, rows, planks, push-ups, and pull-ups. And then it notes about schedule. Consistency is key, making sure to stick to a regular exercise routine, which to my view is pretty damn good advice.